What is up, you guys? I'm Kamariah JaNel, and as you guys read by the title, today we're going to be doing my 4 a.m. stay-at-home mom morning routine of a 4-month-old. So pretty much every day that I wake up at 4 a.m., I'll make me a cup of coffee just to make sure that I have enough energy for the day, especially at being a first-time mom and a new mom. I definitely need that extra boost of energy. What I love about getting up at this time is I'm actually able to mentally prepare myself for the type of day that I want to have. And so during this time, I'm just drinking my coffee, listening to some lo-fi type music before I work out, and just thinking about the day. So because I'm working out from home, I also use an anti-cellulite massage oil, which helps me to sweat much faster than just doing a bunch of exercises and only sweating towards the end of my workout. This way I'm able to burn more calories as well. I do want to encourage all of the stay-at-home moms to get back active post-baby, especially if you're like me and can't make it to the gym. It's so worth it, I'm telling you guys. Considering all the hormonal changes we go through, it's so therapeutic for me. And my workouts usually last from 45 minutes to over an hour, depending on the type of food that I ate the day before. So, if it's something that I, wasn't supposed to eat, or if I ate real heavy the day before, I'll usually try to do like an hour, 30 minutes. So once I'm finished, I'll take a quick shower, brush my teeth. If I'm lucky, I can do my hair before my son wakes up. If not, I'll usually just do it midday or after I feed him. That way he can occupy himself for a little bit. And today was a late day for me, so at this point, I'm just trying to beat him before he wakes up, which is why I like to already be dressed for the day. Because once my son wakes up, he literally will demand my attention all day, like the rest of the day. And also it just makes me feel more productive, and in case anyone decides to come over, I'm already dressed. Now see, what did I just say, y'all? Literally like clockwork. Look at this little boy. So now it's time to get him dressed. Now I have this bad habit of leaving the stopper up, so that is me getting wet and laughing at myself because why? Just why? And I'm just gonna give my son a million kisses because why not? So now that my son is all clean, he's fed, it's time for me to find myself something to eat. So I landed on a parfait. Usually I'll have a bowl of oatmeal, maybe 2 eggs, but today I really didn't have a huge appetite. So I'm just gonna cut up some strawberries, some blueberries, and some granola that I got from a granola bar that I crushed up as well. It's pretty simple, as you guys can see. I'm just putting the strawberries and blueberries in the middle, and then I'm gonna add a little bit on top as well, because that's how I like to eat my parfait. And I'm pretty sure that's how everybody makes it. So, that's what I'm doing here. And I'll let you guys just watch how I make it. So whatever dishes that are in the sink from the night before, I usually clean those after I'm done eating. I also clean bottles if they need to be cleaned, just so I can have them ready for when my son wakes up from a nap, or if he gets hungry throughout the day. I love to just have them on hand and ready to go. I'm just going to wipe down the countertops just to make sure they're clean, and then I'm going to move on to the next room. So now that I'm done with the kitchen, I can start on the living room. My son is asleep on the floor, but that's okay. He usually only sleeps for about 10 to 15 minutes around this time. He literally just woke up not too long ago. So I'm just going to clean around him. And then once he wakes up, I'm going to vacuum. And honestly, I think one of my favorite parts of cleaning up is vacuuming, just because I love to see the streaks in the carpet. Like, I feel like it just adds to the aesthetic of your home, right? Like, is anybody else like that? I don't know, but to me, that's one of my favorite parts of cleaning up. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just going to be putting everything back where it needs to go. I'm also going to be restocking my son's shelf here that I got from Amazon. It currently holds his diapers, his wipes, first aid, books, everything that I need that we use as a part of our routine. So I really love this little thing. So now that I'm pretty much done with cleaning the house, I do want to stop and show you guys what we're going to be eating later on tonight. That is steak meat that I have thawing out in the sink. So my son's dad and I, we're going to be making some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls with the rice, okay? And let me just tell y'all, we started making this, well, not me, but he started making this about a month ago, and we already then made it. This will be the 4th time we made it. So that just lets you know how good he can cook. And right here, I'm just going to show you guys the sauce that we're going to be adding to it. This is just like some dipping sauce that we got from the store. So it's a creamy chipotle ranch sauce by Marie's, and it's so good. You guys have to try it. If you haven't tried it already, go get it, okay? So now that my son is awake, I'm going to give him some kisses, show him some love, and kiss his little face, because I can literally kiss him all day. And then I'm going to put him in a swing so I can vacuum. And I just had to be extra because, like I told you guys before, vacuuming is literally the highlight of my day. Being a stay-at-home mom, you literally have to make highlights of your day, and vacuuming is one of mine. If you guys are wondering why I left my son's booster seat in the middle of the floor, it's because that part of the rug keeps folding over, and I honestly don't like looking at it. So hopefully this will keep it in place and help the rug to stay down. Usually my son is more patient when I'm in his presence. Like if I'm cleaning or cooking, as long as he can see me, he'll just watch me. But some days he just wants to have all of my attention. And if you guys look closely, he's about to try and get my attention. So he is ready to get picked up. He's like, okay, I'm done waiting. I was trying to admire my hard work for just a little bit longer, but oh my God, my baby is acting up. He wants me to pick him up so badly. So that is it, you guys. That is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my morning routine, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.